Hey guys, we are here in the Northwest area of Bakersfield checking out this brand new construction home, and I'm excited for you guys to see it. They have such nice furniture in there, so it helps you get a good idea of what the home's going to look like. But not just because this is a brand new home, am I excited? But also because right behind me, they are actually working on a park that is going to be in this community. The park is not completely done yet, but they are currently working on the park. Check this out, you guys. This is a huge park that's going to be right here in the middle of the community where all of the homes are being built around it, and they're even going to have a smaller park over on the other side of the neighborhood. So, you guys know, this is definitely going to be an amazing option. But with that being said, let's actually get into the home tour of this house. Enough of me speaking. And at the end of this video, you guys, I will tell you some of the great deals on this brand new construction home and a lot of the other homes here in the area as well. So this home we're getting into is a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,288 square feet, and it's a single-story home. All right, let's get into this home. And remember, you guys, stay until the end of the video for the good news, best news you will ever hear in your life. All right, so as soon as we come in, we have this nice entryway. They decided to put a mirror right there, but you could definitely put a little table here, your mirror. That way, when people come into your home, they see something really nice. And check out, I didn't even talk about it when we were out there, but check this out. You get these 2 windows on each side of your front door. And down over that way, we'll have one of the bedrooms. And then on the other side, where I was standing, we have 3 bedrooms. And the master bedroom is completely separate all the way towards the back of the home. So let's go in and check out this living area, because this home is so nicely laid out. All right, let's just look from this view first. We have this beautiful kitchen with your darker cabinets. They look so nice. And right behind that, we have this beautiful tile that just goes all the way across our countertops here. And we have this nice island as well. I want to give you a view of this living room too. Check out this living room. I mean, this home is a beautiful open layout, but we get sort of that separation between the living room and the dining room, and then we have the kitchen right in between. So check this out. They have 3 stools here, definitely could fit 4. So it's a really nice sized island. And then I love these hanging lights that we have over the island. Such a nice feature. And as you can see, we get these really nice black finishes on our handles for the cabinets, for the drawers, our sink as well. It just gives it a nice modern touch. And check out these cabinets right here. You have these see-through cabinets, so you can put some nice plates, bowls, some china, whatever your taste is. You definitely have space for that, you guys. But with these brand new homes, I just want to let you know, because we're in new construction right now, you actually get your dishwasher, your stove, oven, and your microwave. Those are the appliances you get when buying a brand new home. If we're getting a really good deal, let's say the house is closing really soon, we maybe can get a couple other appliances. But check out this living room area from this angle right here. And when you guys see the master bedroom, you're gonna love it. It's such a nice, clean master bedroom. We're gonna get to that right after this. All right, so I know you're enjoying the video, but I'm going to interrupt you really quickly. We'll be right back to the home tour. I wanna let you guys know that if you see me going through some of these new construction homes, some of the model homes, and you're like, dang, I wanna go out there and take a look at these homes for myself, I do want to advise you that before you go out and plan on looking at some new construction communities, whether you're like, hey, I'm going to go out there by myself to all of these communities, and you go in and sign in at their little front desk, or you scan the QR codes to sign into the houses. When you do that, a lot of the times you're actually giving up your ability to have a real estate agent like myself represent you. And even though new construction already has amazing deals, My connections with all of the different builders and the relationships I've built with most of my clients were able to negotiate an even better deal than what's being offered. So I don't want you to miss out on that. So instead of going and scanning in at these different communities or going on your own and signing in, please just schedule a phone consultation with me. The link is down below in the description. That way we can talk about your plans and go out and see homes, and I'll help you find whatever you're looking for and make sure you don't miss any opportunities. Let's get back to the video. And like I said, at the end of the video, I'm going to let you guys know what types of great deals you can get on a home just like this one or another new construction home, because they're all generally going to be great deals. But check out your pantry space right here. And then something crazy, right on the other side, we have another closet space. If you want it to be another pantry, that's totally fine. But you have two right across from each other outside of the master bedroom. So check out this master bedroom, you guys. They have pretty much a king size bed here, and you still have space for these huge nightstands, and there's still more space on the side. So you can tell this is a really good sized bedroom. This is definitely a family home because you do have 5 total bedrooms, which is more than enough for someone like me. But if you have a lot of kids, this is a perfect option. And then let's make our way into this master bathroom here. I love the way these mirrors look. And keep in mind, you guys, what you see in this home, obviously not the furniture, this is a model home, but what you see, like the flooring color, the carpet color, the flooring in the living room, the finishes, the black finishes, all of that is going to look exactly the same when you're buying this floor plan. That's why they have it like this in the model home. So check out this tile that goes all the way up in the shower. You do not get that in every home, so that is such a nice feature. And then I don't know if you noticed, I'll tell you after we check out this insane closet. You get so much space in here. But the tile in the bathrooms is different from the other flooring that was throughout the rest of the home. And then right over here we have our toilet area. All right, let's make our way into the other bedrooms and check out the rest of the home. So the great thing is this home, for a 5-bedroom home, is not huge. It's 2288 square feet, which is not huge for a 5-bedroom home. But the way they laid it out just gives you so much space and separation. I mean, we have the entire living area, our master bedroom towards the back of the house. And then as we come up here, let's actually go right first. Let's check out this area. So on our right-hand side, we have our half bathroom. This one's perfect for guests, right? And then right next to that, we have our full laundry room with shelves. You get a lot of space in here, you guys. You can even add some more shelves up above. So you definitely get a full laundry room. Over to my left is the 2-car garage. We can't open it, but it just looks like a regular 2-car garage. And then over here, we have our second bedroom. So you get 1 bedroom over here on this side of the home that's separate from the 3 other bedrooms in this house, aside from the master. So that's what's really cool is we get the master bedroom on its own towards the back. We get this one right here, right behind me that we just saw. And then over on this side of the home, we'll have the 3 other bedrooms, totaling to 5 bedrooms. So check out this room right here. I love with the furniture being in here because it allows you to see, oh, there's a really good amount of space in here. So this is a perfect bedroom right here. And then we have our closet, just a regular closet here with a sliding door. Then let's go into the 4th bedroom. Once again, just has the regular closet with the sliding door. I think someone's outside doing landscaping, if you can hear that. And then here is our 5th bedroom that is up towards the front of the home. So check this out. It also has the regular sliding closet door here. And then our final bathroom, totaling to 2.5 bathrooms. So this home is such a beautiful layout, especially if you're needing something with 5 bedrooms or something you want to grow into, this is such a great option right here, and is one of the reasons why some of my clients actually decide on getting this floor plan. And then let's make our way over here to one of the last things I want to show you, which is this patio area. So we get a full covered patio area outside. You're already going to have the cement and the cover right here. When you're buying new construction, you're not going to have the landscaping the way you see it here. It's just the dirt lot. So that's the one thing you need to get done after you get your home, but you will have, with this floor plan, the covered patio already included in the home. But just check out how bright and open this home is. It's one of my favorite homes, especially since it is a 5-bedroom home and it's just so nicely laid out. So now to give you some information, like I said, about what types of deals we can get on a home like this, because this is probably what you're wanting to know, okay? So when you're getting a house, we obviously have your down payment, and then then on top of that, we have closing costs. On a home like this, your closing costs can be $10,000 to $12,000. So if you're someone buying your first home and your down payment, let's say on this is about $17,000, now you need to put another $12,000 for your closing costs. So now we're looking at $30,000. But with a new construction home like this, I can negotiate with the builder so we can get all of your closing costs covered on this home or any other new construction home, as long as we find a good deal for you. So we can get those closing costs covered, which save you about $10,000 to $12,000 up front that you don't have to put down on the home. Only your down payment is what you have to take care of. Then on top of that, depending on the home and when it's closing, because this is just a model home, they're building this floor plan throughout the neighborhood on different lots, as well as many other floor plans, smaller and bigger than this, right? So depending on the home we're getting, we usually can get more builder credit, which then we can use to buy down your interest rate. What does that do? So let's say the standard rate right now is like in the high 5s, low 6s. But when we buy down your rate, let's say we end up in the low 5s, maybe high 4.99 or so, we could save actually a couple $100s a month on your mortgage payment, which obviously saves you money in your pocket on a monthly basis, as well as that upfront money we were saving as well. So you guys, there are great deals on this floor plan. This is the Cheyenne floor plan. So if you're here at the end of the video and you say, Adrian, I want to get this floor plan, the Cheyenne floor plan or something like this, now you know when we connect to let me know you want the Cheyenne floor plan. And then there are many other floor plans, smaller and bigger. This one right here is selling for just under about $500,000 for this floor plan here in this amazing community that we are at. But I have many other homes from the 400s all the way up to the 600s, 700s. So there's something for you, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. So if you guys are wanting to connect with me and get into a home, the best way to connect with me is to schedule a free, completely free phone call with me so we can talk about your plans on getting into a home, what you're looking for in a house, and then that way from there, I can let you know a little bit about the requirements and what the process looks like, and we can go out and check out some options or just plan on your purchase sometime in the future. The link is down below to schedule that call with me. There's a link right down below. At any time that works for you, schedule that. We can talk, and then we can go from there, and I can help you get into a home just like this. Now, if you're someone who's like, I don't want to talk to you yet, I just want to know what the requirements are, what it's like to get into a home, then you want to download my completely free Bakersfield New Construction Guide, which goes over the entire process of getting into a home, some of the requirements of getting into a home, the main requirements, and just answers questions that people typically ask when getting into a brand new home here in Bakersfield. The link to that is here in the corner. So go ahead and get that completely for free. Many people have gotten it and they absolutely find value in it. So with that being said, you guys, feel free to let me know if you want to get into a home. But now it's time. The home tour is over. It's time for the good news, the best news you will ever hear in your entire life. And that's the Bible verse, John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Let's actually go outside. So what that Bible verse means, you guys, is that, first let me break this down. There are so many amazing things in this life, like this beautiful home we're at right now, many vacations, many achievements, so many things in this life that we can achieve and have and do. But the one thing about everything in this life that you and I both know is that it is temporary. Even down to our own lives are temporary. You guys, we have maybe 80 to 100 years here on this earth, and we can do the most with that time, but we know that that time is going to come to an end, you guys. So with that being said, although this life is coming to an end for every single one of us, there is a home for me, for you in heaven that God has waiting for us, and he wants us to enjoy and to be with him forever and ever. But the one issue that comes into play is sin. You know that you've done wrong. I've done wrong. We've all done wrong. So all of us have done wrong against God. Every single one of us. And because we've done wrong, whatever it may be, you lied, you stole, whatever it is, you hated somebody, whatever. Because of that, there is a separation between God and us, right? So we have a separation from God because God is absolutely perfect. Absolutely, absolutely perfect. But that is where the Bible verse comes in, is that Jesus Christ was God in the flesh, and he came down onto this earth here where we are, and he lived a perfect life that I could never live, that you could never live. And at the end of his life, after living that perfect life, he's the only one who did not deserve death, deserve hell, nothing that we deserve. But at the end of his life, he allowed himself to be crucified on the cross, and he took on the punishment for all of us and for our sin, so that we now, in this time, 2,000 years later, we know that Jesus has defeated death, because I deserve death, you deserve death, we all deserve death and separation from God because of our sin. But what Jesus did on the cross is absolutely the best news we could ever hear, because that goes to show us that it is not about what we can do. So many religions or so many ways of believing in life is like, hey, just do more good things than the bad things, and eventually, maybe you can go to heaven. Well, I'm here to tell you that just because you do good things, it doesn't take away the bad, right? The bad still needs to be paid for. And either we're gonna pay for it, or we're gonna trust in Jesus, who paid the price for us already on the cross 2,000 years ago. So that is what Jesus offers, is life after death, so that we could know here on this earth that, you know what? I may have a house, I may go on vacations, I may go and do all these different things and have these things that God has blessed me with, and I'm going to enjoy them. But I know that my future, I know that my trust, I know that my joy, I know that my security doesn't come from anything on this earth, but only from God, because he's the only one that nothing can ever take away from me. And I know that I'm going to be with him in heaven forever and ever, and nothing can take that away, unlike some things in this life that can be taken away. So I hope that you guys think about what I'm saying, and I hope that you can put your faith and your trust in what Jesus did on the cross for you 2,000 years ago. And if you're ever looking for a church to attend here in Bakersfield, you're like, hey, I want to go to a church where other people believe, and I want to be encouraged in my faith in God and my faith in Jesus, then there's a link down below to the church that I go to, where my wife and I go. And feel free to show up. If you see me, say what's up. But I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. God bless you all.